So this is a sample of the line diagram. So this is ladder logic diagram, start straight. So the lengths are, we have to draw this diagram and then you can see the operation. This is the outputs are branching with the RSI as a logic. So this is input, start, length 1, length 2, straight. So those program you have to draw with the ladder diagram and you have to test the function. In the meantime, one line from the two location test diagram. Now this is a logic timer. We have to put a logic timer. So this is the logic timer. So you have to draw this diagram timer, this timer characteristic, the output function, also the timer, and even output timer timing back. That means time, pitch. So those are the timer function. So that time we also draw this as inside the timer, and then you can see this operation function. So this is for the these are instruction regarding the timer function. Also the cascades are timer. Cascade timer one timer operation and then there's another timer will operation. So after first timer operate and the second timer will operate. So this is what the cascade timer operation. This is line diagram, ladder diagram for the cascade timers. All the settings are resetting timers. Some timer you can reset. So we have to set setting and resetting timer system. You have to also try this with this timer. So this is for the timer function. Timer function means these are the timer function connected here. Time enable switch, time that switch are you also provided. So this is you also read through this lesson regarding the timer function. You have to practice draw this timer, and then you can look at the how the operation is output. So this is the exercise. You have to do the exercise, and also the counter function. This is a timer function, the counter function. So when you are counting that function, so you draw this circuit. This is the counter function, and you can look at the operation of it. Countdown instruction. This is the countdown instruction function. You have to draw the circuit. Countdown instruction. So this is the countdown instruction. You provide a count up instruction, countdown and countdown instruction, count up instruction. After this one countdown. After this one will be count up. So this is the you have to draw it inside this timer, and then you look at this countdown and count up instruction, count up operation. So this is the PLC's application laboratory using the Logic Pro. By using the Logic Pro, you can read at this PLC application. So this is for the basic operations function of the PLC. You also have to do this PLC's textbook. So textbooks you can see the electrical diploma trade 2022.htm. You enter the electrical trade 2022.htm. Electrical electrical trade 2022.htm. After that, you go down and you have to see the programmable logic. They use our programmable logic controller. So you have to clear up the programmable logic controller. So this is the PLC textbook. So this one also PLC textbook. Also this is for the PLC basic teaching guide. So this book is a use with PLC's basic teaching guide. So you read this teaching guide, and then you can study and reinforce your PLC learning skill. So this is included. They use also with a PLC teaching guide. So you have to read the PLC teaching guide. And also this one will be the use with PLC basic student workbook. So this student workbook for the PLC. So you have to take this student exercise included in this PLC students workbook. So this workbook include the student exercise. So you have to study the student exercise. So this is a PLC workbook and the student exercise. You have to go through this workbook and do the exercise. And also the PLC 1 intermediate PLC system. PLC 1's teaching guide. So take news away PLC1 teaching guide. You have to read the PLC1 teaching guide. So you read the PLC1 teaching guide. All the PLC1 teaching guide you have to read through. So the input output function, also do the exercise. The next one is the PLC1 student workbook. Read the PLC1 student workbook. So you study the student exercise. PLC1 student workbook is here. You study the students' workbook. So the teaching guide, read the student teaching guide, and also you study the students' workbook. The workbook includes the subject example and the subject exercise. You have to do those exercise. Also, their answers are also provided. You also compare your work with the standards provided answers. So this is a PLC1 student workbook. So this is a PLC1 student workbook. You have to read the PLC1 student workbook. Do the exercise. The next one is PLC's advanced PLC learning resources. So this is the advanced PLC learning teaching resources. So you have to do this PLC's teaching resources. You look at the PLC teaching resources and also you do this exercise. So this is advanced PLC teaching resources. Teaching resources are included here. So this means the appropriate learning program teaching resources are included. Advanced PLC teaching resources. So this is the notes for the textbook for the advanced PLC teaching resources. You also look through those are resources. Also the PLC application student workbook. This is a student workbook. So we have to utilize a PLC in a service industrial control system. So this one is a New South Wales PLC application student workbook. So you have to study this student workbook and also do this student exercise. So this is the advanced PLC applications student workbook. Those workbooks are also include the student project. Those project answers are also given. So I will give you the link for those students exercise answer. So this is student workbook. So read the student workbook, advanced PLC student workbook, and do the exercises. Then we also see the PLC Siemens PLC, so Siemens PLC program notebook. So this one includes the notes are related to the note using the PLC Siemens PLC's resources, PLC equipment. You can see the PLC Siemens. So this is the advanced PLC Siemens textbook. You also need to study this one. Advanced PLC Siemens textbook. So this is the advanced PLC Siemens textbook. This textbook includes the service of PLC system, how to use a Siemens PLC. Those are you also read that advanced PLC Siemens textbook. Now this is a PSS Samtec PLC. So that we also see the advanced PLC Samtec system. Siemens PLC system. This test will include the semester PLC system. You also have to read as a semester program, PLC system. So around PLC similar system. So this is a around PLC similar system. You also study the nodes. Now this is a PLC Toshiba. So this is a PLC Toshiba system. You study the PLC Toshiba. So this is a Toshiba PLC node. You also need to study. So this is a PLC Toshiba system. So the PLC Toshiba, you also study the nodes. The next one is a PLC application assignment. So this is the PLC application assignment. So this is the PLC project. The PLC application assignment, you can do the project. I also provide the project answer. So this is a PLC application project. This project instruction are here. So you read as a project instruction. So you have to read as a project instruction. There's a PLC application project instruction. How to draw the information and how to practically draw the system. So this is the project. The project questions are given. And this is the project condition, what you will do. And then this is the project answer. This is notes, project notes are also given, also the components of the project. And this is the project diagram. When you write down the project one, you have to draw those are the logic diagrams. So this is a PLC application project. So this is for the PLC application assignment. So this is PLC SCADA project example 1. Another intensive project example 1 is this one. PLC SCADA project example 1. You also study that's a PLC SCADA project in example 1. So this is a PLC SCADA project example 1. So this is a project example 1. You have to do the project example 1. Similarly, you have to do the project example 2, project example 3. So this is the project example 1 project. You also see the most project. The next one is a PLC hardware node. So that all the PLC hardware, you can see the nodes. These nodes that you click here. You can see the PLCs are laboratories are equipment. This were utilized at the Artimo College or the Delu Southway. So that those are the PLC hardwares. So that I took the picture of the servers PLC equipment and their nodes. So this is the PLC nodes. This is the PLC equipment. So this is what the this is input output circuit here. This is the supply, and we connect the PLC component. So this is conveyor system. So this is the input output devices we utilize. So we have to join this circuit, and then we provide the operation of this equipment. So this is a PLC equipment. They also included this PLC ladder logic diagram. So this is the industrial control system. So they include the input output system, PLC's SCADA unit, CPU unit, and also the input and output function. They are also included. This for the super conveyor system. This conveyor system is a control. This conveyor system controlled by this supply. So this is the conveyor system controls system valves, and also those are the equipment. So the equipment are detailed explanation how the equipments are working, how the projects are working. You can see the dashboard. The dashboard include the detailed project and the components of those devices. All the component, all the devices we can explain. Also the installation guide to install those component. Application system installation guides, their function, their component, their detailed discussion, and the technical specification, technical function. So this is included in this those equipment. So you also study those things. The next one, the PLC hardware nodes too. We open the PLC hardware nodes too. So this is the PLC's hardware nodes too. The PLC hardware nodes too, we also included. So this is the thing you also look at the PLC hardware nodes too. So you look at all the PLC conveyor system, PLC hardware nodes too, forward and reverse function. Also you also look at this one. The PLC hardware nodes too, you have to read. And also you study the also input function like this. So this is programming and logic controllers equipment. PLC nodes, the hardware. Also we also utilize the equipment or conveyor system. Also the appropriate connection of the computer and equipment. You can see it. And also the details are pneumatic equipment. Function pneumatic equipment utilized. So you also get the function of the conveyor system. Those are nodes. Those are devices. You can also look at it. And also PLC hardware node 3. Connect that. So this is the PLC nodes. Those nodes are you look at this one and you study. So the PLC hardware node 4. So these nodes are you also need to study. Okay, this today's lessons I told you about the PLC system. So the main node is here. The reference node is you go to the electrical trade 2022.htm, then programmable logic controller. In this case, a programmable logic controller also included. So this will be the PLC's controller training course. You click this one. This is the PLC's controller training course. So this is the main nodes I provided. Together with the main nodes, you also see that same user with programmable logic controller dashboard. This dashboard I provided to dashboard as well as a PLC's component hardware. And also the process control setup, control circuit board, PLC hardware nodes. You can also see that those nodes. Those nodes are I show you all the PLC program, all the control program, the nodes, the resources you can see here. So this is for the PLC system.